Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See my cute shirt? It's got butterflies on it. I really love butterflies. So guess what came today? Look at that packaging. Isn't that so gorgeous, you guys? In the packaging, there's like glitter and just like raised. Oh, it's just so freaking amazing. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to get into this palette, you guys. My best friend got it for me. She knows that I love butterflies, and she's like, here, I got this for you. And she's like, Merry Christmas. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So before we get into this, if you guys are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know how I am doing. And hit that notification bell so it'll let you guys know when my next video is up. Let's get into this palette, you guys. Look at the packaging is just as adorable as the box. Not everybody likes to keep the box. I do. I do. It doesn't come with a mirror, but like, who cares? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? This is the palette. This is the Flutter By palette by ColourPop. Okay, we're going to get into the swatches. Just imagine Wild Wing Made to Last. Just imagine. Ooh. Wild Wing and Made to Last. Oh, these swatches, you guys, are freaking gorgeous. Gotta Fly, Sun Flare, which is, oh my gosh, so beautiful. And Overpacked. So we got Gotta Fly, Sun Flare. That one was a little crumbly, but I mean, look at that. And Overpacked. Look at that. Got Mariposa. All these shades are so beautiful. Angel Baby and Lush. Mariposa. So pretty. Angel Baby and Lush, which is a great transition shade. And then we have Changes and Getaway and Float On. Changes, Getaway, and Float On. Ooh, I kind of like that one. Oh, I love them all. Like, let me go into that one more time. That is very... This is the palette, you guys. The swatches. So gorgeous, right? Let's get into a look. Okay, for a highlight, I'm going to go into Sun Flare. Oh, what was that sound I made? But like, that's the sound of, oh my gosh, what pigment that is. Oh my god. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, popping my finger on it. Yes, yes, yes. Sun Flare that up. And then I'm going to get my fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Lush because it's a really great transition shade. So pretty. And then Made to Last is another great build up transition shade. I'm going to go into that. This palette is so pigmented. And then I'm going to go into Wild Wing, which is like my hair. I'm like wild like a butterfly today. Woo. Oh, so beautiful. And then I'm going to go into this beautiful shade Mariposa. The shade is so stunning. And then I'm going to go into Mariposa for my lower lash line. I want to go into Overpacked. Woo! And I'm going to put that on my outer lid. And then I really want to show you guys how you can do wings with shadow by using like, this is like an eyeliner brush or a eyebrow brush. I'm going to go into Float On because I think it would be really pretty with a brown liner and not a black. And I'm going to line my lash line. Start defining the wing. And then color it in just like liner. Okay guys, I am pleased with this palette and this look and that brown liner that Float On gives you. It's beautiful. So I'm going to do my lips and my lashes and my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, that's the final look with the Flutterby palette by ColourPop. I really, really love this palette. I feel like I will use this on a daily basis, like more so than my other palettes, because it's very beautiful and neutral, and I really, really, really love it. I feel like the look I came up with was very, very butterfly, especially with the dark brown wing. I love it. Very butterfly-esque. Very. I absolutely love butterflies, so I'm so excited that ColourPop came out with this collection, and I love this palette so, so much. It's so, so beautiful, you guys. I'm going to wear this for my Thanksgiving look, definitely. I really, really love this. The packaging is adorable. If you guys want your own, go to ColourPop.com, and this palette retails for $18. So if you guys really like this and like the swatches and the look that I created and just how amazing this palette is, go and get your own. Go to ColourPop.com. Thanks, Patrice, so much for this. I love it so, so much. I am going to wear this all the time, and I'm going to cherish it, and I'm seriously going to keep this forever because I love butterflies. And seriously, if I really love the packaging of something, I'll keep it. I will keep it forever. Well, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this gorgeous, gorgeous palette. What you guys think of the look I came up with and how simple it is to do your wings with eyeshadow. And it looks so pretty. Like, you don't always have to go for a black wing, you know? And it lasts. Like, ColourPop shadows last. I'm horrible, and I've slept in my makeup before, and it's like not came off the next day. I hope you guys loved this review and try on and tutorial. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I love you guys so much. Like this video if you guys liked it. I would really, really appreciate it. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because it'll let you guys know when my next video is coming and when my next giveaway will be coming. I love you guys so, so, so much. Like butterfly. Bye, guys.